How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to pay yourselves in QuickBooks as an LLC or limited liability company. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple and possible, as not a lot of people may know that it's actually an option. And the way to do it is pretty straightforward. So we'll do with the basic steps first on how to pay yourself a salary using QuickBooks. So, what you guys need to do is we can set up a direct deposit, then create a separate pay schedule for monthly and weekly salaries. So this includes yourself, and you all do this with Intuit QuickBooks interface. And with payroll, you can set up either a direct deposit and pay your employees with electronic deposits directly into their banks, or pay with cards. So to start, you want to set up your company's payroll for direct deposits, and this will also include yourself. So step one is to select the taxes menu and choose tax payroll. This is all in the dashboard with Intuit QuickBooks. Now, this should take you to a new page where if you keep scrolling down, you'll see an option that says employee setup. So you want to click on that. And when you click on employee setup, when you reach the authorization for direct deposit, you want to choose the bank. You want to choose bank verification. And once you have that page in order, you can print it. And once you've printed it, basically just fill out the form. It even says so here. After you've completed the setup, the next paycheck you create for yourself will be a direct deposit, and that'd be it. So that's the simple process of doing so. Now the more complex one is right here. So how do I pay myself from my company? So LLC is a business structure wherein the owners, also known as the members, are not personally liable for the company's debts or liabilities. Furthermore, the company pays the taxes and is considered as a separate legal entity from its owners. So this means that paying yourself with the company salary is actually very possible. So for tax purposes only, an LLC may be classified as a partnership or corporation or disregard the entity. Some countries may not consider the members of an LLC to be employees. Therefore, the members do not take a salary. Furthermore, there are some other types of LLCs that are single member LLCs and multi-member LLCs. So, how do you actually pay yourself? So, to pay yourself is quite simple. You guys have the option of having your salary set as a recurring payment that you receive every month, just like every other employee, and paying yourself a salary is an ideal option if a certain amount of income is required each month to meet your personal needs. You can also receive the owner's draw. But remember, you're a multi-member LLC, so you would distribute the profits or the owner's draw amongst each member based on percentages mentioned in the operating agreement. So there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.